Welcome, in front of me is a ULEFONE Power 3S, and today I'll show you how to enable the battery saving mode. So to get started, simply pull down the notification panel and you'll have the icon of your battery right here along with the percentage of it currently. So from here on, I just simply tap on it and check this on, and we're now in power saving mode. And as you can see, it changes a couple of things. So your status bar up on top and the navigation gets turned red instead of transparent as it normally is, and that is to indicate that it is in power saving mode, along with the battery has a plus symbol on it. So yeah, that is how you turn it on. And to turn it off, if you're annoyed by the color, you can just simply go back here and slide it back to off, and you're done. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.